Okay, so in this video, I'm going to explain how to prepare the chemicals for OC-300. It's quite simple, so no worry. Okay. So first of all, what chemicals do we have to prepare? Sodium hypochlorite, sodium sulfate. So this is for like chlorine disinfect. This is quenching. I think Jian is familiar with this, and of course ultrapure water for cleaning. Um, okay. So staining, cyber green, trace buffer, sodium thiosulfate, cyber green and PI, same recipe. Okay. So, uh, how to make sodium hypochlorite 1% active chlorine. So you just follow this. I think our chemicals also have similar concentration like this, but it depends on how much you want to make. You can reduce 500. Uh, yeah, so it depends on you. You reduce here, of course, you have to reduce this number as well, right? Same here. So this is 7.9 gram of this solution, but I think our of this chemical, but I think our chemical usually go with 5 uh water molecule. I don't know, but you have to check. So you have to calculate a bit. I think this is something you also not difficult, right? Again, you can also reduce this if you want. Which should be water. So I think you can just um you don't have to do this if you use the Uchipi water from our system in our lab. So it's okay to do this, but it's quite intensive if you do autoclave every day. So I think our Uchipi water is okay to connect with OC-300. Okay, so for cyber green and PI, um, you can use the yes, you can use the bottle. Um, contain 550 ml of cyber green, diluted under cheese buffer. So how to do that? You know how to make the cheese, right? There's some explanation below, but I want to emphasize here. Okay, so this will be similar to what you make for our staining, but it's just more dilution in the beginning. So usually you put 10 to maybe few ml, right? But now with 50 ml, it means you already dilute the staining in this step. So later on, when OC-200 it pump the solution, staining solution, it will pump higher, more volume because you already diluted here. So I just want to explain this. But so for cyber green and PI, similar. But one thing is we use different solution. So we use, I remember 1 milligram. I'm not familiar with this per 1 ml, I guess. Please check this. But we used like a bit different. You can either convert from here to here, but what I did is I will do the similar, um, let's say, similar ratio for green and PI in our lab. So here you add uh, 10, so it means we will add 40 pi, 40 microliter pi in this solution, and then you will have the final solution. Okay, so this is just how to make the cheese, blah blah. I think you should follow this. Yeah, I think it's pretty much everything. It's just one note here. Otherwise, you just follow them, the instruction here. So it's not very complicated. So later on when you do your experiment, you will know how frequent you have to replace the solution. And if so, for example, the staining, I think it should be replaced every 7 or 10 days. So it will be better, of course, but it depends on your experiment. You can reduce this, or you can make this, but divide by half and store in the refrigerator. So it depends on you. Okay. Okay, I think it's done.